West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who sustained injuries after she was allegedly attacked during the election campaign in Nandigram, urged her supporters to maintain peace and not to do anything that would cause problems to the public. Nandigram will be the biggest battleground in the state elections that begin by the end of this month. In a self-made video on Thursday, Mamata Banerjee requested people to maintain peace in the state and informed that she will resume work in next 2 to 3 days. In the video message from the hospital bed, Banerjee said she would be back for the poll campaign in a few days and use a wheelchair if needed. I would appeal to my party cadres, supporters, activists and common people to maintain peace and calm. It is true that I was badly hurt last night and felt severe pain in the chest and head. The doctors are looking after me, she said. I appeal to everyone to maintain peace. I hope to be back on the field in the next few days, Banerjee said. The Trinamool Congress issued the over a minute long video clip that was recorded at the special cabin number 12.5 of the Woodburn block of SSKM Hospital, where Banerjee is undergoing treatment after being injured during the election campaign in Nandigram. The Chief Minister was rushed back to Kolkata on Wednesday and admitted to the state-run hospital with injuries on her left leg, waist, shoulder and neck, according to the doctors. Banerjee earlier alleged that during her campaign in Nandigram, she was attacked by 4-5 men who pushed her beside banging on her door of her car, leading to injuries. And when asked if it was a planned attack, she said, "Of course it is a conspiracy. There were no policemen around me. I was doing namaskar standing on the bonnet of my car. At that time, pressure was exerted, because of which my leg was hit by the car. In that condition, whatever medicine I was carrying, I had those and soon we left for Kolkata. Since then, the doctors are treating me," the Chief Minister said in the video. Stating that she won't waste a single day before the elections, Banerjee asserted that she will campaign even on wheelchair if need be. "I will be back within 1 or 2 days, she said. Banerjee's appeal to her supporters came amid widespread protests by Trinamool Congress workers across the state. Meanwhile, the TMC activists blocked roads, burnt tires and raised slogans blaming the BJP for the alleged attack. Besides several areas in Kolkata, including Shedla and Sowa Bazar, TMC workers protested in Howrah, Hooghly, Bankura, Paschim Medinipur, Jalpaiguri, Paschim Bardhaman and Purba Medinipur, among others. The attack came a day after Election Commission replaced the Director General of Bengal Police, Mr. Virender, amid concerns of violence voiced the loudest by the BJP. An IPS officer of the 1987 batch, P. Niranjanayan, has been named the new police chief. The commission has asked the Chief Secretary for a report on the attack on the Chief Minister, who has Z plus security. The report has to be submitted by Friday. The BJP, which had blamed the Trinamool after its chief JP Nadda's convoy came under the attack in Bengal in December, called Wednesday's incident a political stunt by the ruling party. It is Taliban that her convoy was attacked. Huge police force accompanies her. Who can get near her? Said State BJP Vice President Arjun Singh. Elections in Bengal, said to be a stiff contest between Trinamool and BJP, will be held in 8 phases, beginning with the polling of 30 seats on March 27. The counting of votes will be held on May 2. News Desk, Kaumudi English.